actually assembling the paper body of this Happy Meal toy. This Happy Meal toy, gonna eat your burger now.
Thank you.
Yeah. Burger. Yay. So first, this one will be the this step. You will be following this step. First step will be paper body. You're gonna assemble that. Just follow this second step for this. Okay, they're gonna put that here. Put that here. So make the body, and then you're gonna put the head. So this one's the red, so red din yung head niya. Sige na. Are you gonna eat first? Because Zach is hungry. It's beyond 12 sharp. Afternoon. And he's hungry. Once he's hungry, he's angry. When Zach gets hungry, he'll get angry. So you need to eat up. Bite up all the bartering. Okay. Okay. Oh, napakulang. Napakulang, oh. The neck. How are you going to assemble the neck? Wow. So that's it. Oh, it's mad. It's Muddy Putty. Muddy Putty.
Mom, may photo.
Look at this face. How do you describe the face of the yellow one? It's
Nagulon ako.
lonely. It's sad.
Mo kailangan
I guess he's hungry. The eyes are too big. Puppy. But the mouth is sad. And it's wondering because the kilay is so
kilay.
How about the red face? How do you describe the face of that red? What's that? Yeah, but grabe, 3 minutes lang.